It's going over there.
It's been on the wrong track.
Zipping by pretty fast. Not so fast.
What's that?
6 passengers, West Line Elgin train now arriving.
I never heard this before. Never heard a real person doing the calls.
Kind of an engine is that?
I've seen this engine a lot. When this train goes, this train goes. It does not look like it has any passengers in it.
Yeah, on the track.
I don't think so. Oh, wow. Whoa. Gotta go fast. What did this engine? Oh wait, is that an engine?
The side?
I don't think that's an engine.
Yeah, it's maybe it's a car. Driving.
Maybe. Well, why would it be so big?
There's another one back there. See that?
That's the Metra. Yeah, I guess so.
152 to Chicago Union Station is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line.
Don't scare me this time.
Green light.
But isn't it going into Chicago Union Station? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Whoa, look at the shadow on that Metra. They should paint a Metra like this.